Can IR emission and IR receiver sensors detect objects without touching them using Arduino UNO? Today in day 30 of our 37 sensors challenge, we're using an IR emission sensor and an IR receiver sensor. We need an Arduino UNO, an IR emission sensor, an IR receiver sensor, a breadboard, jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now let's look at the connections. Connect the IR emission sensor signal pin to digital pin 3 of the Arduino UNO. Then connect the IR receiver sensor signal pin to digital pin 2. Connect the positive terminal of an LED to digital pin 8 and the negative terminal to ground. Also connect all VCC pins to 5 volts and all GND pins to ground. Now comes the coding part. In the code, the IR emission sensor is connected to pin 3. Inside the setup function, the transmitter pin is configured as output. Now let's test it. Place the IR emission sensor and IR receiver facing each other. When the infrared signal reaches the receiver, the LED responds according to the detection state, and the serial monitor displays the sensor reading. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to sarkitedtech. Stay connected for day 31 of the 37 Sensors Challenge.